over me. Oh my gosh. This guy just ran over this guy's skateboard.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Behind the latest plot will stand trial in Jordan. A university suspends all 14 fraternities in the wake of a college student's death.
Oh, that's not safe.
Nope.
I could have died. Oh, that's a police officer. Oh man. Oh, but don't wait. Let the cars go by. Oh, you can't do that. I've never had that happen.
What the f? Fucking.
Yeah. Oh, 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 no. Oh, shit.
Oh my god. Oh, I can't get out of my car.
Come on.
6/12/20.
Oh, yep, they just crashed. What a idiot. What a f***ing idiot.
God damn God！ 哇！你真係喺人哋嗰度中間過嗰個。
哦，真係兩個都癲。
我知佢啊，我。
starting to feel he was starting to cause a few problems. the bet. Cameron
What
Green
the
strides to the wicket
fuck?
with some purpose. I wonder whether the...
Always checking out online at
Whoa. That guy just blew through that light and the cop was chasing him.
Absolutely loved my dog.
Radio edit.
Camera! You're on YouTube! Yay!
Just looking at them and getting it scheduled. What?
Guy just wrecked. Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
When I got the time, one
Then take the first left.
Their customers in those regions to arrange for them to come home. On top of this, the Prime Minister says all international flights will only be allowed to fly into airports in Toronto, Calgary, Vancouver, and Montreal.
All right. That's it. Stare at your phone, bro. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Stare at your phone. Yay! You're on film, stupid. You're on. I said stare at your phone, idiot. You're f***ing ignorant. Jesus. Hit me. You little prick! F you! Hit me! You're on film, a**hole! Shut up! Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
You got a problem, dumbass?
I ain't got no problem with nothing,
Then
man.
watch your motherfucking mouth how you talk to me, dumbass.
I didn't say nothing to you, did I? And you on film, idiot. Well, you gonna be on YouTube, you stupid.
Hi, YouTube.
Hey, say hi, YouTube. What a fucking moron. I got a phone, I can stare at it while I'm driving. I'm a genius. Yo! You're a fucking genius, baby. I don't think I've ever met anybody as smart as you.